Welcome again, students. This is fourth part of fourth chapter. Name of chapter is environmental pollution. Our course is environmental studies and course code is 22447. Course outcome is apply technique to reduce the environmental pollution, and unit outcome is state sources and effect of air pollution. Our topic is air pollution. Now, learning objective, student will able to understand the causes and effect of air pollution. There are two causes of air pollution, primary pollutant and secondary pollutant, and effects of air pollution on living things and non-living things. Now first let us see what is air pollution. Presence or addition of harmful substances to the air which causes negative impact on health of living organism. It is called as air pollution. Then what are the causes of air pollution? There are two causes of air pollution, that is natural and man-made. First one is natural. It includes volcanic eruptions, natural fires, pollens, dust, etc. While man-made causes include automobile, industries, incineration, farming, these activities. Then types of air pollutants. There are two types of air pollutants. Primary pollutants, that is these are directly released into air or atmosphere. These are ash, salts, pollens, spores, smoke, dust, etc. Then secondary pollutants, they are formed by chemical reaction between air and primary pollutant. For example, smog, acid rain, ozone, etc. These are some primary pollutants: pollens, then volcanoes, dust, bacteria or viruses, fire, etc. They are directly released in air. These are the natural sources of primary pollutant. Then man-made sources of primary pollutants are combustion process, then chemical process, nuclear or atomic process, mining process, then oil refinery and farming activities. By all these man-made sources, pollutants are directly released into air. Then secondary pollutants. In secondary pollutant, first one is acid rain. The primary pollutants released from chemical industries like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. Then chlorine gas react with atmospheric moisture to form acid, resulting in acid rain. Then see the reaction, how acid rain occurs or how acid is formed in rainwater or from rainwater. When carbon dioxide react with water, then that is rainwater, then carbonic acid is formed. This is carbonic acid, that is H2CO3. When sulfur dioxide, which is generally present in industrial area, react with rainwater, then sulfurous acid is formed. This is H2SO3. When nitrogen dioxide react with water, that is rainwater, then there is formation of nitric acid and nitrous acid which cause acid rain. Then second cause of secondary pollutant is photochemical smog, that is formation of photochemical smog is primary pollutant, that is nitrous oxide and hydrocarbons released from automobile or on burning fossil fuel react with each other in presence of sunlight and ozone and forming toxic brown haze, that is known as photochemical smog. Among the photochemical product, the most potent pollutants are, first one is benzpyrene, then second one is peroxyacetyl nitrate, that is PAN, and third one is peroxybenzoyl nitrate, that is PB2N. These are the three products or three pollutants that cause photochemical smog. Then what are the effects of air pollution? Air pollution occurs when harmful or excessive quantities of substances are introduced into Earth's atmosphere. Air pollutant not only causes hazardous health effect in human, plant and animal, but also contribute to the climate change. Effect of air pollution on living things. First one is on human health, then on vegetation pattern, and third one is on animals. Then effect of air pollution on non-living things like on material, on climate. Let us see one by one. Now first one is effect of air pollution on living things. First, on human health, our physical and psychological well-being is affected differently by kind of air pollution we are exposed to. There are many organs or bodily function that can be harmed. The consequences including respiratory diseases like bronchitis, asthma, etc. Then cardiovascular damage, fatigue, then headache, anxiety, irritation of eyes, nose, throat, damage to reproductive organ, the harm to liver, spleen and blood, nervous system damage. These are the effects of air pollution on human health. Then what are the effects on vegetation pattern? Air pollution have negative effect on the plants. They can have direct toxic effect or indirectly by changing the soil pH. That means the pH of soil may become acidic or alkaline, and it reduces the crop production. They cover the leaf blade, reducing light penetration, which strongly influences the process of photosynthesis. Effect of some specific pollutants are: first effect is formation of necrosis, that is damaging the leaves of due to rise in ozone. Leaves of plants are damaged due to rise in ozone. See the image. This is the necrosis effect. Then abscission, that is a premature fall of leaves due to rise in nitrogen dioxide. Then third is chlorosis, that is yellowing of leaves due to rise in sulfur dioxide in the atmosphere. These are the effects on vegetation pattern. Then effects of animals, effects on animal. Air pollution can poison wildlife through the disruption of endocrine function, organ injury, increased vulnerability of stresses and diseases, lower reproductive success and possible death. When pet animals are fed with fodder having remains of insecticide and pesticide, it will severely affect their digestive system. These are the effects of air pollution on animals. Then what are the effects of air pollution on material? The main pollutants affecting material are sulfur dioxide and sulfates, nitrogen oxide and nitrates, chlorides, carbon dioxide and ozone. The material most sensitive to air pollutants are calcareous building stones and metallic structure. The damage include losses of mass, changes in porosity, discoloration, corrosion of metallic structures, etc. See the example of effect of air pollution on material, that is yellowing of Taj Mahal, then decolorizing of paint, then rusting of metallic structure. These are some examples. Then what is the effect of air pollution on non-living things, on climate? Air pollutants have a complex relationship with climate change. Some pollutants such as carbon dioxide increase warming by trapping heat in atmosphere, causing global warming due to greenhouse effect. Then effect of air pollution on non-living things, on climate. Excess of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide in air react with moisture, result in acid rain. The release of CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon gases, damages the protective ozone layer, allowing harmful UV, that is ultraviolet radiation, to reach to Earth's surface. It is called as ozone depletion. So what the Mother Earth want to say is, stop air pollution and save the earth. In upcoming video, we will see the method to control and prevent the air pollution. Thank you.